O.E. Meyer is a leader in specialty and industrial gases, welding supply, and automation solutions, serving customers across the Midwest for more than 100 years. At O.E. Meyer, we don't just sell automation equipment. We partner with customers like you to engineer and assemble custom systems that increase your operational efficiencies and improve precision quality output. For manufacturers and assembly contractors who need reliable automation solutions, this is your proving ground. The O.E. Meyer Automation Room, or OMAR Room, is the ultimate test drive experience for process automation systems. Visit O.E. Meyer and experience our exclusive OMAR Room, stocked with the latest automation tools, including handheld laser welding and cleaning systems, cobots, and compact plasma tables. Step inside the OMAR Room and take innovation for a spin with hands-on demos and technical product overviews. Everything you need to understand your options and make more informed decisions about upgrading your operations. IPG LightWELD XR. Experience the ultimate welding workhorse in action. The IPG LightWELD XR enables dramatically fast welding and high-quality, consistent results with minimal distortion or part deformation across a wide range of materials and thicknesses. With up to 74 stored preset and user-defined process parameters, novice welders can be trained and welding in a matter of hours. The capable LightWELD XR easily welds steel, stainless steel, aluminum, titanium, copper, and nickel alloys without part deformation. Preset modes ensure proper laser settings for consistent, high-quality welds. Nozzle tips switch out quickly and easily to accommodate multiple welds. The built-in wobble function accommodates wider seams, while wire welding capability extends welding application to poorly fitting parts. The pre-weld and post-weld laser cleaning functionalities are the mark of efficiency. Pre-weld cleaning removes oil, grease, paint, or any potential contaminants that can affect weld quality. Post-weld cleaning creates visually appealing welds while eliminating the need for post-processing. Koike ShopPRO. The latest generation of Koike Aronson plasma cutting machines, the ShopPRO, is the solution for fabricators and metalworkers who demand a rugged and robust feature set at a reasonable price. Highly intuitive and user-friendly, ShopPRO simplifies operations and improves efficiency for seasoned operators and novices alike. And its smart profile packs premium features in a package compact enough to fit in small shops for even greater ROI. Its standout features include a dual-side drive with precision ground linear bearings for smooth and accurate motion, precision helical gearboxes with NEMA 34 stepper motors, helical gear rack with AGMA 12-grade ground pinions. An all-in-one motion controller with a 21-inch monitor affords a clear view of precision cutting applications, and an emergency stop button on each saddle quickly and safely shuts off machine motion and cutting process, including oxy-fuel gases to the torches for added security. Lincoln Electric COBOT. Combining superior performance and simplified programming, the Lincoln Electric COBOT robotic welding system is the automation tool you need to improve process efficiency and throughput with the exceptional accuracy required in modern manufacturing. The COBOT tablet-based pendant features user-friendly icon-based programming. Swipe icons in or out of the timeline or tap them to modify. The intuitive welding tool improves output. Simply guide the robot arm into the correct position by hand using the torch-mounted enabling device. Then, use the torch handle to manipulate the finishing push and weld points when in the joint. This drag-and-drop programming and innovative teach-at-the-torch technology deliver straightforward programming functionality, but without complex training. The push-button interface designed directly into the torch allows the operator to record approach and weld start and stop endpoints and change robot translation. The COBOT is easily deployed and programmed to weld in minutes, so you can quickly implement and automate tasks for improved quality and productivity. Rental Welding Cell Program. In addition to the OMAR Room, Meyer offers a rental welding cell program that puts our trusted automation technology to work to drive down your manufacturing costs and increase productivity without a significant capital investment. Evaluate the benefits of the robotic welding process in real time in your shop or on the production line. It's the ultimate custom fit. Our team conducts a free evaluation to determine your specific needs and matches you with the best robotic technology for your application. A truly customized solution. You get a complete portable welding cell with advanced robotic welding technology programmed to optimize your operations. Plus, get Meyer's signature support. Operate confidently, knowing that our team is ready to help troubleshoot issues or provide technical guidance, and get your operations fine-tuned to maximize performance. At Meyer, our focus is helping you automate your operations for accurate, high-quality, high-yield output. We can spec individual components, turnkey systems, and everything in between. Whether it's a welding robot or a CNC cutting machine, we're here to help you choose the right solution for your application. Partner with our team for the right solutions, expert installation, service, and support you need to improve bottom-line productivity for the long haul. Call Meyer today to learn more.